Okay, so this is part 2 of the door handle day, and you saw on a previous video I showed you can replace this door handle without taking out the window and without removing this, and that is true, and it's a little bit difficult, but so you saw there's these two threaded holes, and you already saw that that's where they generally get broken, and you saw this clip, and then at the end of the video I showed you what you do is you put this in and then put the key in partially and then hook the rod onto here. Then you can get the whole mess in and then stick the key in the hole and twist it halfway and use the key to pull it out. So that's how you do that, and then all you have to do is get these screws in, and then this screw is really easy to get in, but this one here, and it's an M6 bolt if you lose it. This one is hard to get to because there's a tiny little hole to reach through. I'll show you the hole. So there it is. See right here. So you can get the bolt in like this, but this hole is not straight, it's offset, so you could cut this bigger, but I didn't really want to cut anything, so what I did is, and then if you put your finger in here, I can just reach it. So if your finger was, an inch longer than mine or something, wow, that would be a really long finger, but you could twist it. So that didn't work. So what I did is I put the finger in here, or no, I put it in with this, and then from the other side, I held the thread and then took this out and then kind of carefully turned it with the screwdriver here. Oh, something I forgot to mention. Should have said earlier. I used the angle grinder and then cut a slot. You know how the angle grinder, they make a cutoff wheel and they're 0.04 inch thick? So I did that way, do that. But if you don't have luck with that, you actually could buy an Allen head bolt that is M6, and I guess it would have to be probably 15 millimeters long or so, and then you could just have an Allen with the ball tip and stick it in there, and that would be really easy. So I did get it to work using this method, but took about 15 minutes of fidgeting just for this one bolt, but now it's in, and we can move on to the next broken door handle. That's this one here, and the other one was broken but it still worked, and the one I had here was so broken it did not work at all. So that'll be nice. I'm trying to think if there's anything. Oh, something I noticed, that was of course an eBay handle, and it looks really good, and the metal I think is made well. It's not plastic. I think it's die-cast aluminum like the other ones. But you'll notice that and I saw this on some of the other YouTube videos too, the people when they get the aftermarket handle, this rubber piece does not, it fits pretty good, but it's not perfectly flush even, so it's not perfect, but it is good enough. I'll show you the rear handle. Yeah, as you can see, this one's not perfect either. Anyhow, it's okay. So let's see what we can do on the second handle. So hopefully we can proceed and do all this without taking this black thing off. So far we have been able to. And looks like we got new clips. New clips, a yellow one and an orange one. So first we clip it in. There's one rod. Where's the other rod? Here's the other rod. Okay. So yeah, it goes like this. So we probably should do the lower rod first. I might put a little oil on it to help it slip in. The oiling canteen, you can see here. I hope that's pointed correctly. Yes. Okay, let's try again. And this one does not have any locking. No, it just pops in. Alright. Okay, it went in. So there you can see. It just went in. Probably you cannot see, but you can kind of see. There you are. Now we have to try to get this one in, which goes through this little opening. Goes through this opening here. Wow, we're almost done. Isn't that great? Huh. Somehow this appears to be upside down. Huh. Yeah, they put this in upside down. That's unfortunate. I didn't notice that sooner. Let's just hope we can get it out without breaking it. Really not good. Oh, we got it out. Yes. So what I'm saying is this rod hooks like this, so this piece should be this way. But whoever put this handle together, he put it on upside down. So I'm going to put it on the right way, without breaking it, perhaps. Good thing I put oil on it. Okay. Now it's on. And it just goes in and then this flips over. So I hope I can do that through this little opening. Very fidgety, all of this. Okay, it went in, but now I have to put the lock on. Ooh, hey, I found a secret passageway. Got it on. And, lastly, I just need a little screwdriver. Oh, look. So here you go, there's something else I did. Before, not on video, I drilled this rivet out and then drilled the remainder with, I think, an 1/8 inch drill bit, and then put a number 6 sheet metal screw in through the rivet with a number 6 washer. So, but I also wanted to show you the connection, which I guess maybe you can't really see. Yeah, I guess you can't see it. Oh yeah, you can. See in there? Yeah. So that's the way the yellow clip's supposed to go. So you can be smart and make sure yours is upright instead of upside down and do this job quicker than me. So now we're going to undo the screw and slide it in the hooks. There's that screw. Now let's slide it in the hooks without ruining this plastic. What do they call this? The water shield or something? So this hooks on here. Looks to be. It's a tight fit, plastic. Okay. Now we'll just move it back a bit. Just a tad more. Oh. Oh, the plastic is not supposed to be outlined. I know this video is going to get millions and millions of hits. Everyone loves to watch this waste of time and struggle and all that. Huh? I'm kidding, of course. I know everyone probably hates this video. Okay. Oh, it clicked in. Okay. Clicked in on the bottom. Hopefully it'll click in on the top. A little bit more. Alright, it's in. Now we'll put our screw back in. Now it's snug and maybe another quarter turn at the most. How's that? Threading into aluminum. Hey! Now, this will be the most fun part. We get to test it. So, just do the minimum here. And then all you gotta do is put all these clips on and put your light bulb in. Which nobody wants to watch that, I'm sure. Why won't you go in? Please go in. Well, it won't open, but I think that's because it's locked. Let's hope it works. Wow, it does not open at all. Not good. So this is a failure, huh? Well, it works from the inside. So both the lock and unlock works from the inside, but the lock and unlock does not work from the outside.